Welcome to Coastal 101. I'm John Kelly, your host. Now, it's a given that every large property needs a gate, but what about the opening and closing of that gate? The answer is the automatic opener by Mighty Mule. Now, we're going to install a Mighty Mule gate opener on our 16-foot Behlen gate. Jess is going to do the hard part, and I'm going to do the play-by-play. Take it away, Jess. Okay, we've laid out all the parts from our Mighty Mule kit. We're ready to go. Jess has already made sure that our fence post is firmly attached to the ground and the gate is level. First, he'll assemble the post bracket subassembly by taking the post pivot bracket and securing it between two post brackets. Next, he'll attach both the gate post bracket subassembly and the gate bracket to the operator. Now he's placing the pivot bracket end into the rear mount of the operator and securing them together using the clevis pin and hairpin clip. Then, he'll attach the gate bracket to the front end of the gate opener, installing the clevis pin through the gate bracket and opener, adding a hairpin clip to secure it in place. Jess is checking the placement of the operator for clearance and level. He'll start by opening the gate and using C-clamps to hold the operator arm in place on the post and cross-center member of the gate. He'll want to make sure that there are at least 2 inches of clearance between the gate and the operator, and that the operator is level. Next, he's disconnecting the operator from the gate bracket. While holding the operator, he'll swing the gate to the closed position. As long as the gap between the end of the operator and the gate bracket isn't more than 20 inches, he's good. He'll then secure the post pivot bracket and post bracket subassembly by marking and drilling holes and then locking them in place with the provided hardware. Jess is now ready to tackle the control box. He'll begin by loosening the 4 screws that hold the cover in place. This gives him access. He'll separate the battery box from the control board case. Then mount the battery box no more than 4 feet from the primary gate opener. Now he can connect the battery to the harness. Place the battery in the battery box with the terminals facing right. Knock out the battery access cable hole in the control board and fish the wire through. He'll connect that after he's done with some other wiring. He can now secure the control board case to the battery box with the provided screws. Then attach the antenna to the external SMA connector. Jess is now going to wire the operator to the panel. He'll start by removing one of the 2 sealing nuts on the bottom of the control box and feeding the operator wiring through. He'll close up the sealing nut to lock the wiring in place. Now he'll connect the wires to the primary operator set. You'll find these next to the terminals labeled AUX. Correctly insert the green, white, red, and black wires. Next, feed the AC power or solar panel power supply wire through one of the 2 access ports at the bottom of the control box. Connect the red wire to the power positive terminal and the black wire to the power negative terminal. Then take the battery wires and connect them together with the battery wiring that clicks in place. Everything should turn on. When it comes to making your life easier on your property, your Northwest owned and operated Coastal has you covered. That includes automatic gate openers, fencing tools, and workwear. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you later.